Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. I hope you all had a great start into the new year, and I'm back after a short break, in fact with more interesting videos on Indian culture, crafts and cuisine. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please take a moment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Today's video is going to be a Mughlai inspired dish called Paneer Musallam. Musallam means whole. You might have heard about Murgh Musallam, where the whole chicken is marinated and cooked. But today in Paneer Musallam, we are going to use the chunks of paneer, marinate and cook in a rich gravy. I'm going to show you a step-by-step preparation so that you can easily make it home. So let's get started. Step 1. Let's first marinate the paneer. For that, I took 300 grams paneer cut into squares. We need hunkered or Greek yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, oil, salt to taste, coriander powder, chilli powder and turmeric powder. To marinate the paneer, take a bowl, add yogurt, ginger garlic paste, all the dry spices, oil, lemon juice and mix everything well. Now coat the paneer pieces with the marinade. And set aside. Now step 2. For the gravy to be rich, we have to make a paste out of almonds and cashews. So take almonds, poppy seeds and cashew nuts. Now boil the almonds, cashews and poppy seeds for at least 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Cool down completely and make a paste and set it aside. Now step 3. Frying the marinated paneer. To fry the marinated paneer, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and gently drop in the paneer pieces and fry on both sides till the paneer turns golden brown in color. Keep turning the paneer pieces in between and make sure you keep the flame on medium. Now take out the paneer pieces and set them aside. And the final step, let's make the gravy. For that we need onion puree, tomato puree, fresh cream and yogurt, oil and the spices like ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chilli garam masala, kasuri methi, turmeric powder, salt and coriander powder. Now in the same pan, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil and add the onion puree. Fry it on medium heat for a few minutes or until the rawness of the onions disappear. Add ginger garlic paste and fry it on medium heat for a couple of minutes. Now it's time to add all the dry spices and fry it on low heat and make sure you don't burn the spices. When the oil starts leaving the sides of the pan, add the tomato puree. Mix well and fry it for a couple of minutes and add yogurt immediately and fry on high heat so that the yogurt does not curdle. Do not cook yogurt for a long time, just a minute. And now add the almonds and cashew paste and let it cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add water to adjust the consistency. I've added approximately 125 milliliters of water. Now cover and cook at least 10 minutes until the nuts paste is thoroughly cooked and the oil starts leaving the sides of the pan. Now finally add fresh cream. Mix it well and cover and cook further for a couple of minutes. To serve, dish out the gravy and arrange the paneer pieces on top of the gravy. It's absolutely delicious. Serve with some rice or roti. And how rich and creamy is the dish. The paneer just melts away in the mouth and the gravy is very delicious. So try this extremely delicious Paneer Musallam. It's gonna be a hit. So please do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section below how your Paneer Musallam has turned out. If you like the recipe, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and until next time, Namaste.